Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a big box to show you from Zulily, and this is all different orders, but I actually opened up a couple things because I wanted to make sure I got them in because of the issue with our post office, and because I ordered so many things, I wanted to make sure that my stuff was coming in. Also, there was a top that's in here that I was going to buy another color of the same style, and I wanted to try that one on just to make sure it fits me properly before I go ahead and order the other color. Okay, so this is the box right here, and as you can see, there's a lot of things in here, lots of stuff. And I do have all of the slips here, but I'm not gonna go through the slips as I show you because it's just gonna take up time. It's not in order, and I'm just gonna have to be looking for them. But I can link them down below in my description box when I'm uploading this video so that you guys can have an idea of what it's called, the name of it, in case anybody wants to, you know, buy the same stuff. So I'm gonna start with these slippers. So I got these slippers to wear around the house. My fiance did get me a pair of slippers for Christmas, but they were too small and we just returned them on Boxing Day when we were out. And he was gonna get me another pair when we go to Edmonton because we're going there in a few days. We have dental appointments and stuff like that, but I think I'm just gonna let him not get me those ones and just keep these ones, and hopefully they fit because I was looking at them. They look kind of small, and one is a bit squashed because I opened it up and then I put clothing on top of it and it was heavy, so it kind of smooshed it in a little bit. So it's pretty simple, these ones, and I like it because it's kind of like a winter theme, kind of Christmassy style, and that is when I bought these ones. It was during the Christmas season, and I like the little fold down style, and you can wear it up like this. So however you want to wear it. So up or down, and that's the bottom, heart sole. I like heart sole because then if I gotta go out into the yard for whatever reason, I can still go out and not bother with the bottom getting wet, because some of them there's just a softer sole on the bottom. So I like the fact that it's a hard one, and I like the inside. It's nice and soft. I just hope it fits, because I usually wear these with socks. Of course, I like my feet to be super warm, especially it's so cold these days. January is usually a terrible time with regards to winter here. So I think, to me, January and February are the most cold months for winter. And I got these in a size 8. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but they look small to me. I'm hoping that they fit, because size 8 is usually the size I would go with when I choose like runners or sneakers or boots, because I usually wear socks with them and I don't want them to be too tight. So these are just cute. I love them. So that's the first thing. And then I got this winter hat. And I was eyeing this one up for a long time. They had a lot of other designs. They had some with like some lines of sequins, and I wanted to get that one as well, but it was sold out. So I love the little pom-pom on the top. You just gotta rough it up a little bit so that because it's been in the plastic, so it gets kind of smooshy. And it's so cute. It's a nice color, Actually, it looks a little more pink on the side, but to me in person, it looks kind of like a lilac color. I wish I had matching scarf and gloves to go with it, but they didn't have matching stuff, which is always a case. You'll get hat and scarf, but no gloves to match. And I wish I could get, Sears was really good for having the whole set. But we don't have Sears anymore, so. But anyways, this is the hat. I think they call these a beanie. Okay, and the next thing will be a dress. So a while back, I had bought one like this in a size medium, and I absolutely love the color on me. And it's kind of like a strapless dress. Like the sleeves are just little bands on the arms, and it fits really tight on the top, so you do need a lot of support because it's strapless. But I wanted to see maybe if I sized up, if it'll not be as tight. I hope it does fit comfortable, and you know, I don't have to worry about it falling down or anything. So this here was the one I bought originally. As you can see, these go on the arms, so it's hanging off of your shoulders, and then this part goes on the top, on the chest there, and it fits super tight here, but I think it's made to look like, fit like that. So I got this one, and I think they call this one the rose color. These came in 3 colors. They had this one, I think they call this one a coral or terracotta, something like that. Then they had this color, and there was also the beige, like my sweater that I'm wearing. I don't see the beige one anymore. Maybe it's just sold out and they're not bringing it back. So I was surprised when I found this one, and they had all sizes in it. So it was a good price, and I said, well, you know what, I'm gonna grab a different color because I love the style. So this is the rose colored one. You can see it's the same style. I hope this one, to me, this looks like the same size, so I don't see much of a difference. And I love that it's a maxi style. Great for like if you're going on a vacation, like in a nice warm country, you can wear it. I don't think it's going to be too cool though. See, this one says size large on it, so it might be too warm of a dress because it's polyester and spandex. So the large even looks like a medium. See, this one didn't say medium on the tag, but I know for a fact that it was a medium. So 2 nice colors. I hope this one fits nice as well. And they're both made in the USA. So that was the dresses. Absolutely beautiful. I love how the coral one looks on me. The color is just cute. Okay, so the next thing I've got is a little crossbody purse. This is cute. Kind of like those bohemian styles, and I love bohemian type clothing and jewelry and stuff like that. It's got like a little charmy thing hanging there, which is so cute. What does this say? Katori. It's all fabric, and it's nice. You can adjust the straps, wear it just long hair or wear it to the side like that. Really cute. I love it. And the zipper doesn't have much pockets. It's just one side, but that's okay. I mean, the smaller the bag, the less things I will fetch with me. So this is nice for if you're going on a vacation as well. You know, you don't want to fetch too many things around with you. You just sling this crossways on your body and you're on off you go. Super cute. I love it. Nice one. Okay, and then I got this hat. Now this is a real winter hat, and I will show you why. So the hat goes under your chin and it hooks under there. As you can see, there's a little hook, and that protects your face from the wind, and that is why I ended up buying this, because I figured, well, it gets so cold here and you have to protect your skin because you can get frostbite if it's really cold. So I mean, I gotta protect my skin as much as I can because it's the only skin I'm gonna have unless I get real wealthy and I can afford to do plastic surgery. But for now, I'd have to do what I can to keep my skin looking good for as long as I can. So I hope that this fits good. I like the little furry detailing, and it's black, which will match with my everyday jacket that I wear to go for walks and stuff like that. So that was my hat. And then I got these rollers. It's the Twist Flex rods. I don't know if I had bought some of these already. I'm not too sure. I buy so much stuff that I don't remember. And there's 42 pieces in there. And there's different sizes. So depends on how big of a curl you want or how small. They have different sizes in the rods you can use. So this is nice. You can travel with it. Again, if you're going on vacation, you can put it in your suitcase. It doesn't take up a lot of room. I know a lot of people prefer to bring like their flat iron or their curling wand or whatever, but you know, if you can afford that kind of stuff, because some of those things they can be pricey, especially if you want a good brand. So these would be perfect for traveling. I might give this away as a gift because I don't remember if I had bought one like this already. If I have two, I'm gonna give one away as a gift. But it's nice to travel with, and I love that it comes in a case. So they're all together, they're not all over the place, so that's pretty cute as well. So there it is. So the last thing in this box I'll show you is this top I was telling you about in the beginning of the video. And when I bought this one, they have like 4 different colors in this one, but I wanted the pumpkin colored one, which is a nice fall color. I don't own a lot of pumpkin colors. I do have a sweater dress I had bought a while ago, and it's so cute, but I can't wear my chunky winter boots with it. It looks terrible. I have to dress it up because it's a dressy dress, right? So when I saw the pumpkin one in this, I wanted it because I figured I could wear that with jeans or jeggings or even those nice tights. But then my size got sold out, so I put it on a wait list so that they can tell me when it came back in stock. And I ended up buying this color instead because I like this color. So the style, you kind of like have the top of your shoulders out, and the neck is like this. The neck comes up high, so your neck is being covered, which I like. And the sleeves have a little band on the bottom, and the band on the bottom there as well. And I wanted to try this on because I want to wear it. Also, the other color did come back in stock, and I got an email, so I wanted to see if the size will work. So I find that this is a medium, and with the medium it's a little bit loose in the body, but around the neck it's pretty tight. The sleeves are a good length. So I would have preferred to go a little bit more snug in the body, but I figured if I go a size down, you know, it might be too tight here. I don't want it to be uncomfortable. and also I might lose length for the sleeve. So I figured, look, I'm gonna just buy the medium and see how it works. Hopefully it fits the same way, because I love the color and the fit is okay. It's just that the body part is wide, but maybe it's made like that to be worn that way. I'm not sure, but it's not super big. So I mean, the color is nice on me. I love it. It's like a kind of a tealy kind of color. So yeah, that is why I opened this one up, because I wanted to try it on and make sure that it looks good and everything before I buy the other one. So when the other one comes in, I will show you that one, of course. Yeah, so that was my video, my Zulily online order. And I don't know if I should say unboxing, because technically I didn't open it on camera, but it still is an unboxing, right? Because I showed you guys stuff. So I do have all the slips here, but I'm just gonna, there was that teal cutout accent turtleneck, then the hat, curling rods, slippers, crossbody bag, the beanie, and the maxi dress. So yeah, I have all these slips. I usually keep them so that I can put exactly how they've written it there. We can put it in my description just in case, you know, somebody's new to my channel and they haven't heard of Zulily before, but they like something they've seen in there. Mind you, these events just run for like 3 days or so, but sometimes the clothing is still available a few days after. You can still pick it up, or if the size is sold out, you put your name on a wait list. They will tell you when your size comes back in stock, and they do come back from time to time. So even if it's a case where you don't see it on the site anymore, just have a little bit of patience. It'll come back, because there's new events every day, and you'll probably see it'll come back in a different event. You just have to look through or do a search on it. That is what I do. I sometimes take a screenshot of it, or I write the name down, and then I can keep checking to see when it comes back as well. So, and if it's part of an event for the day, it'll pop up. If not and it's gone, then it wouldn't show up. But like I said, they do come back from time to time, unless the season is done. Like, you know, it's not winter anymore, or it's not summer, it's changing, then you might not get that style anymore. So, but they do come back. So it's not a case where it's gone for good. So yeah, that was my video. I just wanted to quickly show you guys that. And it's super cold today. It's sunny and bright. You would be fooled by how nice it looks, but geez, it's so cold. I had to wrap my face up today, and even the dog was cold. We didn't get to go for a long walk as I wanted to, because it was so cold. His paws started to get cold, so I decided to come home. But we did get about a half an hour walking anyways. Usually I like to go for like an hour, because it's good exercise. But I mean, hopefully, you know, it's not as bad in the next couple days, but we'll see. Okay guys, well, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you liked anything that you've seen in the video, and leave some comments, and let's get chatting. And you know, I'm gonna try and put those descriptions so that if any of you are interested in this stuff that I showed you, you can always go and search. I think you might even still find a couple of them on there still, so you never know till you try, right? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.